It's a cute little town. And the Westward Ho Motel. Sorry, but that just cracks me up. So I don't have any back history or anything on this place. It is all closed up, boarded up, and says no trespassing. Just gonna kind of see. Building condemned, unsafe for human occupancy is what it says. That's weird. So I wonder if they had like mold or something, because they don't look. So there's some of it back in there. I don't want to walk back in there and get myself in trouble. But isn't that kind of just cute? We're gonna run down to the downtown main area here. We are at Cripple Creek in Colorado. That big building is the Teller County Courthouse, and that is the Cripple Creek Police Department. And I just think that's hilarious that their police department is housed in that little old building. They've got a really pretty city park here.
Nice memorial for the POW MIAs.
Yep. Yep, that's really pretty. So like, well, that first one, oh yeah, it has a realty sign in it. So the first 2, 3 buildings there look like they are, well, the first 2 are for sale, but the third one looks empty too. So if you want to open up a cool business in this neat little town, I like the Butte Opera House Theater. That's pretty cool. So that one up there says $18.99. Oh, it looks like that's their fire station right there. Looks like it's $18.96. And I love the old, well, the marquee's awesome, but I also love the old hotel sign. Something cool about this town is that it is full of casinos. So a bunch of different casinos, like that is the Bronco Billy's Hotel and Casino. And then this one over here is Century. Then you got McGill's. And Bronco Billy's pretty much takes up the whole block. Do you notice that? Yeah. They pretty much own them all, looks like, along through there. So if you are a casino lover, this is definitely a town you'd want to visit. Ice cream store there. There's another casino. This casino cracks me up. It's the Christmas Casino and Inn. Across the street there, that first one is for sale. Then you've got a little gift store. and a candy store, and another little gift store. And then the big one, I guess, is the original fire station. So there's another casino. That one's off of the main street there. This used to be they blocked it off, walkway down to it. I don't know, maybe that one's not open anymore. I have no idea. I don't know, I'm not gonna walk down there and see. I can barely breathe as it is. The elevation's getting to me pretty good. What'd you say, with what elevation are we at?
Almost 10,000.
Almost 10,000 feet. I did good the first couple of days. This morning I woke up and wow, there's some more. 1896.
Gold mining stock exchange.
Yep, that's that big one on the end there. I don't see a, oh, there's a date. Yeah, it's 1896 too. Well, I guess I could have went on the upper side, but that's all right. Let's walk down through here. Seeing that neat little building, or businesses like this too. Little tea room and boutique. A lot of those are empty over there. Looks like that one's empty too. It was a casino, because it has a casino sign. Here's another casino, a Double Eagle. Hi. And here you got a little museum gift shop and a museum area here. And they're not open yet. We just wanted to film from the outside anyway. If you want to see what's in there, then you're going to have to come visit. So this is located try not to spin everybody too fast. We just walked all the way through the main downtown area. So this is at the very end of the road. If you want to pause on that little sign there and read it, get some info about this. I'm guessing this whole thing used to be a depot then.
Yeah, you can see the picture down there at the bottom. It's got the whole crowd.
Some train stuff. And, oh, I just barely caught a glimpse of that and thought it was a person sitting there. Who is that supposed to be? I'm assuming that's Winfield Stratton. There's the train. Oh, and look. There's the engineer dude. Awesome. So you can take these train rides. I don't know how much they are. Let's see, there's a sign up there. It says $15 for adults, $14 for seniors, and $10 for children ages 3 to 12. I have no clue where the train goes. I don't know how long the trip is.
I would say it's 2 hours or under, since they only let you park here for 2 hours.
Good point.
He didn't marry me because of my looks.
Yeah.
This old mine shaft or something up there.
Oh, way up there.
I wonder if the train takes you up by that.
Maybe. I don't know.
This was a big gold mining town.
Neat little spot to stop and grab a bite to eat. The murals are pretty cool. I like the way they have them painted on stone over there.
Like how they have the ladies of the night looking out the windows.
The ladies of the night.
Trying to keep it G-rated.
Yeah. There's another cool mural. I just like when they paint cool pictures on the sides of these old buildings. There's another one over here for the Colorado Grand. That is the events center. It is one street over from the main street. And we're coming down here because I seen the word, well, the letters RV, Eagles Landing. That's a campground.
That's a little park.
So there you go. How handy is that? So you could camp right there, and there's that street. You just walk 2 little blocks, and there's all the main street with the casinos, restaurants, everything. For all my RV subscribers, now you know you got a place to stay. There. I think you can see that. Pause that and read it. And this is really faded. You can see this used to be a pharmacy. And the second floor was the doctors. And then the third floor was rented by, it says down here, day, week, or month. So it was the hotel part. And this is that building that has that awesome sign that I really like. And it said, one of the first retail businesses or something was that pharmacy, which also had malts and, you know, your typical old-time drugstore, basically. Yeah, I love this building. And right now, it doesn't appear like anyone is doing anything with it, which is really a waste. We're at an overlook. Drove up this little windy road here, and we are overlooking Cripple Creek. And what a view there is. There's just on the other side of that hill right there is a gold mine. And you can tour it and all that stuff. So there's gold in them thar hills.